right, so I have been working my way through the alphabet over on TikTok. Yes, I'm over on TikTok, having some fun over there. If you're on that, go ahead and find us, rockpainting101.com. But I've been working my way through the alphabet. I've been using a lot of videos that I already had before, and I didn't have anything that started with the letter J. So we had a suggestion over there to do jelly beans. So we're doing a quick little jelly bean rock today. This one's fun. We've got a cute little saying we're gonna put on there. You could really do any colors you want. Actually, I think I want a pink on the edge. We'll do yellow here. So when making your jelly beans, if you have a hard time with this shape, you can create just a letter C. Now, I'm doing a backwards one on this side, but then widen it. Maybe it's more like, not really a C, maybe it's a parenthesis. And then you make it thicker. Oh, my pen's not flowing very good. There we go. Don't be afraid to pulse your pens if they're not flowing really well for you. Lay that paint down. You shouldn't be scraping along like I was just doing. So there we go. And we'll do one more here. I've got the pink. And really, like I said, any colors really would do for this. You can get jelly beans in any color. I mean, if you think of jelly bellies even, they have hundreds of flavors these days. So we're just gonna get all of our shapes on here first. And sometimes I swear it looks like you can see through. Like the green, I thought, oh, that's gonna need a second coat, but now that it's dry, it looks okay. The yellow might, we'll see how it looks once it dries. There's one little spot in here though that I can kind of see through. There we go. All right, so we're gonna make our jelly beans really fun today. So the first thing we need to do is give them each like a little highlight because it's got that, you know, waxy outer shell to it, and that kind of gives it the jelly bean look. You just kind of want to think where your light source is going to be. I'm going to have it coming from this side over here. So we're just going to give a little highlight in the top side like this on these two. And then we're going to do it more along the front edge top on these two. Like that. And when you're going on top, quickly, look at, I got a little bit of orange in there. I should have been more careful in between. There we go. Just give it a little doodle. Make sure you got nice white coming through. There we go, our little highlights. And gonna give them little faces here. These are gonna be happy little jelly bellies. My yellow looks like it needs just a little bit more. You know, I was saying after it dries, you can tell it wasn't kind of flowing very good. So we'll go right on top of that. When you're doing a second coat, try to lay it on top as much as possible. Sometimes I go with more of a dabbing motion if I haven't waited very long, so I don't scrape up the coat underneath. Okay, so we'll go and work on these other jelly beans and then come back to our yellow once it's dry. So we're gonna do our eyes. So we're gonna do black circle eyes here, like so. Like that. Try to make them as circular as possible. This one got a little away from me. Let that yellow dry a bit more. We'll also go in and give them a little smile, a little smirky smile. There we go. Maybe some arms and legs here. Not gonna get super detailed with these. Just really look like they're maybe dancing around a little bit. There we go, yellow, we're still waiting on. I'm gonna wait till that's done and then we'll finish it up. So if your smile gets away from you a little bit, you can go back and add color to thin it out just a smidge. I did that with the yellow, but you can see a little black, so I'll have to touch that up one more time. So we're gonna put a cute little saying on this. So how about it's been a while? Because it sure has, hasn't it? Leave this on somebody's porch that you're kind of missing a little bit, huh? All right, the last thing we're gonna do here is add little highlights to all of our eyes. Try to catch that upper right hand corner. I missed two there. If you make a mistake on those, see, I like to make sure I catch the corner. That one, he looks crazy. If you make a mistake with those, this is how you want it to look. There's our ideal jelly bean there. You can wait till the white dries. Just go back with your black. And tap over. Tap over. And we'll go at those ones again real quick once that black dries. But see how our face, now that our yellows end up. So I made a couple mistakes on this rock, and I'm showing you that you can fix them. So don't be hard on yourself. If you make a couple mistakes, let your paint dry, go back in and make some adjustments. You can always continue to work on the rock. We don't always get it right perfect the first time. So try not to talk when I'm dotting this time. There we go. Aren't they fun? So there we go, J's for jelly bean. I hope you enjoyed this quick little fun tutorial. Bye-bye.